So I've been getting this question a lot lately. I've been telling my marketing clients how much we make from our YouTube channel, and they can't quite understand how we're making so much from such a small YouTube channel. So I'm going to break down the figures and the numbers for you today and share with you how we've done almost $100,000 in sales from a YouTube channel of just over 10,000 subscribers. Here's how we did it. So firstly, let's go ahead and take a look at the YouTube channel. You know, at the time of recording this, you can see we've got 13,000 subscribers on the channel, almost 14,000. And if we go into our Creator Studio and we take a look at our analytics and then our revenue, you'll see that we have estimated to have earned about $600 in the past 28 days, okay? Now that's nothing really to call home about, not too excited about that. If we change the date search, you can see 600 there. If we change the date search to be lifetime, and by the way, we've been at this for, gosh, I mean, 3 years, just over 3 years, almost 4 years now, actually. So we made 18,000, okay? Now, it's a decent figure, but when you divide that by almost 4 years, it's actually not that much. In the last 12 months alone, this YouTube channel has generated an additional $76,000. So how is that possible? Well, most creators here on YouTube are only providing content and relying on the revenue that YouTube's going to give you. Well, again, if we go back and have a look at what I generated even in the last 90 days, we're talking about 2,300. Well, that's not enough to live on. That's not enough to provide you a full-time income, not even close. And we've been doing this for 3 years. So this is why most creators really struggle, and there's only a few that really start to take off. And even the ones that are taking off are still relying on this YouTube revenue, which is really not that big. So here's what most people are doing, okay? You've got your YouTube channel, where you've got a bunch of content, and every now and again, when you put a video out, YouTube's gonna run an ad on top of your channel, okay? And when those ads run on your channel, that's when you get a little slice of the ad revenue, and that's where the figures come from that I just showed you. Now, for most creators, this is their cap. That's as much money as they can make. I'm doing some more creative stuff because I have a business attached to the YouTube channel. I have courses that I sell, I have coaching that I sell, I have free gifts that I offer that when they opt in for that free gift, it puts them on my email list, and then maybe a week later, a month later, a year later, they might decide they want to buy something from us. So we have lots of what we call outbound links from our YouTube channel going off to other places. We have webinars that we invite people to, and off the back of those webinars, we sometimes make an offer for them to buy something. So if someone has enjoyed the content on my channel, they want to learn more, they can go into an environment where they can learn more from me for free, but they're in a webinar environment where there's an offer going to be made. Oftentimes we give people what we call lead magnets. And a lead magnet is, as the name suggests, we offer a free gift, a free guide. Here's an example of one. We've got this infographic that we offer people completely for free. You can grab this too down below, by the way. There'll be a link there. It's an amazing YouTube ad script formula. Well, we give that away for free. That allows people to join our email list, and later on, they may decide to open an email from us that has an offer that they might want to take us up on. We have another offer that we make off the back of some of our videos where we invite people to book a call, and they can actually speak to a member of my team. And once they speak to a member of my team, they might decide that becoming a client of ours is a really good idea. And if they do that, of course, we're going to take that client revenue. And then the other option is that we sell something directly, okay? We do this one less often than the others, but every now and again, one of our YouTube videos might just come with an offer. We might say, hey, we just put together this new $17 course that you may want to check out. Click here and you can go ahead and buy that. So with a YouTube channel that's 14,000 subscribers that is earning only $600 in revenue from YouTube's ad revenue itself, we're actually generating an additional $10,000 to $20,000 per month at the moment from this stuff as well. All right, so I hope you found this helpful and insightful. And if you're a creator, if you're on YouTube, you should really be thinking about how you can monetize the activity you've got going on your YouTube channel by selling other courses, by building an email list, by creating an audience, and maybe even having a coaching offer that you can offer people as well. Build a business around the YouTube channel. That's the way to go. If it would be helpful for you, the easiest place to start is by creating a lead magnet for your audience. And I've got a training right here on the YouTube channel that talks about lead magnets, how they work, and how you can create one. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and you can check out all our upcoming content that we've got prepared for you. You're gonna love it. I'll speak to you soon.